Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to give your Mac folders a makeover, give them a pop of color and organize them so that your desktop is super cute and organized. To get the icons, go to bit.ly/jrichmacfolders. Once you pull those up, you will want to download them so that you can insert them into a PowerPoint, or you could use these in Google Slides to add your text. Either one will work. I'm going to use PowerPoint to do mine, so I just opened up a new presentation. I want to make the page size be square, so I'm just going to do 8 by 8. Next, you'll want to choose one of your pictures to start with, one of the colors, and then drag it out to make him the 8 by 8 size. The Mac folders like squares, that's why we're making everything square. Next, you're going to want to add a text box. And this will just be the name of the folder, anything that you want. Choose a chunky font because those work and show up a little bit better than skinny fonts do. But you can certainly use a skinny font, any one you want. Once you get things typed in, you can change the size, change the color, and then move it around to where you like it. Next, we need to put our two things together, so we're going to click on the text and then you can hold shift down and click the circle, or you can drag and gather everything up in one time. You can also command all, but we need to put it all together, so we're going to say arrange and group, and that just makes it one big thing. And then we're going to right click and say save as picture. And you can name it whatever. I always save it to the desktop so it's easy to find, and make sure it's a PNG and save that. Now the fun part, you see our picture on the desktop. You're going to click on it to open it up, and then you are going to say edit and copy. And then you're going to right click over on your folder that you want to change and say get info. Make sure that top little folder is highlighted, and then click edit and paste, and you will see your super cute folder change to your icon that you made. You could also use a logo or a picture, even a Bitmoji if you wanted to, and just do the same thing we just did with copy, get info, and paste. Now for the wallpaper. Download your picture, right click on it, and set desktop picture. I have seen sometimes where once you paste, the image looks blurry, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that if that happens to you. Okay, so all of that work and it's blurry, but we can fix it. So just scoot him out of the way, the box with your folder information, and then go back to your picture, and we are going to hold the shift key down as we drag and make a box, because the Mac folders like squares, perfect squares, even though we made it a perfect square. So just drag it holding the shift, move it around until it's a good square, and then same thing, copy it and then paste it onto the folder, and then see, it changes and all is well. And you can just close that out. You don't have to resave it because you won't need it. And then there you have it, your beautiful new desktop. Now get all of those files into one of those folders and your desktop will be looking great. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that it helps you get your desktop looking super cute. And I left a link to a blog post that also explains all of this down below. So if you have any questions, let me know.